Today is Sunday, you guys, and it's a beautiful day, and I'm very grateful because I used to work every Sunday. I used to work every Friday, every Saturday, every Sunday, and every holiday for a company that did not give two craps about me. I wore steel-toe boots into a factory for 16 years and grinded my face off just to barely get by and pay the bills. And it came to a point where it was affecting my mental health. It was affecting my marriage. I didn't have a relationship with my kids. I felt like I didn't even know who my kids were anymore, and that's when I had my breaking point. And I said enough was enough. I was tired of living paycheck to paycheck, but still working, 10 to 12 hours a day, 7 days a week, and every holiday. And that's when I started learning new skills, you guys. I don't come on here trying to sell you anything. I come on here sharing this opportunity with you and how it's helped change my life and giving me my time back with my family. Because I only got to work 2 hours a day. I can work my business in the nooks and crannies a day completely around my family and my kids. So I'm not sacrificing all my time for money anymore. I'm not making somebody else rich. And the best part of it is the community that I am part of. It's the digital growth community. We have over 13,000 members in our community. And you guys, I've met so many amazing people from all over the world because it's an international business. People that have the same goal, financial freedom and time freedom with their family. Yes, the money is great, but it's not all about the money. It's more about the money, what the money can give you. And that's time with your family. Because we're not here to teach you how to grind or sacrifice our time. We're actually here to teach you how to leverage your time. And it's with a fully automated business, because my business is always out there working for me 24/7. That's what allows me to only work 2 hours a day in the nooks and crannies of my day, because it's always working for me in the background. So I'm here to share with you how you can learn the skills to make daily pay, because that's what I'm doing. I'm learning the skills to make daily pay. Do I make daily pay every single day? No, I do not. But that's the goal. I'm on my way to making daily pay. We have 13,000 people in our community. I'll put some screenshots up on the screen. You can see all the success inside of our community. Because you guys, this is not a course. This is a program. It's a live, hands-on, interactive program. We can get on live and ask your questions and get your questions answered so you know what to do on a daily basis. So if you're ready to learn how to make daily pay and you're tired of grinding your face off like I was, and you truly wanted to just be able to spend more time with your family without having to check your bank account every time you leave the house like I used to have to do every Friday after paying the bills, even though I was working, 10 to 12 hours a day, 7 days a week, and every holiday. Just let me know. Drop a 1 in the comments, and I would absolutely love to share with you. You can just check it out and see if it's a good fit for you or not.